pull the lateral straps to tighten it and breathe as usual. Secure your mask first before helping others. It is normal for the bag to not fully inflate. There are several emergency exits in this aircraft. Take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit.
And now the plane taxis. I'm on board a Singapore Airlines Airbus A350-900. We have just pushed back from Los Angeles International and we are taxiing to the runway for takeoff. This will be a 16-hour flight from Los Angeles to Singapore, direct non-stop. It was already in the evening. Pushback time was about 9:20 p.m. and it was wonderful to have a window seat looking out at all the other planes at the very large Los Angeles International. Earlier in the day, I had flown into Los Angeles from Las Vegas on a very short flight, flying Delta Domestic first. Check out that review on my YouTube channel as well as on TikTok. And for this flight, SQ flight from Los Angeles to Singapore, same thing. Some footage on my TikTok and also the entire flight review on the YouTube. Now sit back, relax as the plane taxi to the runway for takeoff. We turn into the runway and the engines will be powering up. Here we go, here we go. I am heading home after spending a few days at Las Vegas on a work trip. Fly Singapore Airlines, a wonderful way to fly. Enjoy the rest of the takeoff. Signing off. Bye bye.